Check it. All right, guys, what is up? You are back for another video with DataZero. In this video, we're looking at AMC stock, GME stock, and SPY stock. This is your prediction for the rest of the day and for tomorrow and the rest of the week. We're going to be looking at my weekly update prediction, revisiting that, checking on that, and then also checking out the technical analysis and where I think things are headed, and also talking about the trades from today's live stream and looking at much, much more. This video is cram-packed full of information that you need to know if you hold meme stocks, play in the stock markets, day trade, swing trade, play with options, or like crypto. With that being said, let's go ahead and hop into the charts, the facts, the data. Let's go. All right, guys, what's up? You are back for another video with DataZero. In this video, we're going to look at AMC, GME stock. We're also going to be looking at SPY stock. Let's go ahead and check out the charts, the facts, the data, and show you guys what is going on. So the first thing we're going to be looking at is AMC stock. And again, this video is not financial advice and should not be taken as such. Please do your own research and due diligence before buying any stock or crypto asset. So first thing I want to point out is, told you guys AMC was setting up for a rally. We already had a green day. Guys, it's already coming to fruition, everything I said. If you checked out my weekly prediction and update video, that's why you have to come into the live streams, guys. Make sure you check out the live streams 9:15, 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, AM, 9:30, 9:15 AM Eastern Standard Time. Come tune in so I can give you guys the update and the lowdown on what's going on for each and every day. But basically, guys, we are looking extremely good in my personal opinion. We're going to be looking at AMC, SPY, and GME. Let's go ahead and hop into SPY first and show you guys what's going on for SPY. Now, I predicted a red week for SPY. I predicted a red week for SPY, a green week for AMC, and a green week for GME. It already looks like it's coming to fruition to be that way, guys. You want to follow me and press subscribe because this is the best technical analysis. This is how you can actually make money. You can make money when you can predict the market. This is how you can do that, by predicting the market. So we can see that SPY is actually setting up for a head and shoulders. SPY is actually setting up for a head and shoulders. So right here is your shoulder, right here is your head, and then right here is your shoulder. So your neckline is going to be this white line, and you can see that that was confirmed as resistance at the end of the day. It was confirmed as resistance at the end of the day. So it looks like SPY is going to be seeing major downside, probably back down to at least 446 at the minimum, but probably going to be headed back down to probably 439. Okay, so we're probably headed back down to at least 439, but 436 in the minimum. So it is going to be a down week for SPY. In my personal opinion, I do think we're going to see pullback again. Moon boys, everyone over the weekend telling me, hey, you know SPY is going back to all-time highs. I had some guy, some hater on Twitter or something like that, because I told him 460 was the top, and some hater on Twitter was had a screenshot of my tweet and said, hey, you know September 10th's around the corner, right? Well, dude, bro, look what's happening. Like, I don't even, these dudes are so dumb. Like, 90% of the people lose money in the market. You have to be the exception. That's why I make money in the market. That's why I don't have to be a wagey. That's why I don't have to work a regular 9 to 5 like most people. So again, you want to follow somebody that's actually doing the thing and actually making the money in the market and doing the stuff. I did day trades live, paper trades live on the channel. I wasn't even trying. I used market orders and didn't even use limit sales. Didn't do anything properly like I normally would. Did 3 trades and won all 3. Guys, you want to follow a real trader, somebody that can actually do this stuff. And again, if you want to get in the Discord is $50 for a lifetime invite. $50 for a lifetime invite. Go ahead and hit me up. Email link below in the comment section and description. DataZero Official 5. $50 for a one-time fee. I give all the plays, buy and sell signals, options, cryptos, and stocks. Again, hit me up and ask about the Discord. DataZero Official 5, and you see that I posted plenty of testimonies where people had red portfolios and are now green. People are making thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars off of that, and you want to get in before it goes to $100. Why? Because the value that I'm putting out for $50, I'm giving away literal pennies when people are making thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars.
in profit, which we do post in the Discord and I do post on YouTube. But that being said, guys, to join the DataZero family, all you have to do is press subscribe. Again, you want to follow this channel because we are, or I am, a real trader. Again, we did real trades live today, 3 trades, not even trying, not even doing any of my regular rules of limit setups or anything like that, and it came out with 3 wins with 3 day trades. Go ahead and check out the stream that I did today if you guys want to see that and see how to do a little bit of trading. Also, let me know if you guys want me to focus more on that on the streams, because instead of doing technical analysis and calling out the price, I could actually just do trading and show you guys like how to really get down and really get a lot of money and do some big trades. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comments and let me know if you're interested. I will be asking the community on a couple of different polls in the stream and on the polling tab in the in my post. So look out for those tabs. I'll ask about day trading in the stream. So make sure you guys voice your opinion and let me know if you want to see more of that. Now, as you guys can see, the SPY possibly having a little bit of a falling wedge, pushing to the downside. As you guys can see, we could see one more movement to the downside if this falling wedge does play out, which then would give us a nice little pop to the upside, possibly retesting 450, or the head and shoulders could play out and bring us all the way down to about 446, maybe even lower. So we will see if this falling wedge does play out or the head and shoulders plays out. But either way, you're going to see downside for SPY, in my personal opinion, tomorrow and then possibly even the next day. So I do think we're going to see a little bit more downside for SPY tomorrow, maybe a recovery, but you're going to want to watch out if the levels of, and I'm going to give you a key level here to look for, if the level of 446.15 breaks to the downside, you're going to see SPY start to crash hard. You're going to see SPY start to crash hard. So be careful of that level breaking to the downside. Also, you want to be careful of the level of 447.72. You want to make sure that one doesn't break to the downside as well, because SPY could be capitulating hard if it doesn't hold those key levels of support. So that's what I'm looking at for SPY. I do think SPY is going to be seeing a little bit of downside based on the technical analysis. And then, of course, the macro, guys, you already know, I think the SPY is going to be crashing here in late to early October, late September, early October. I think SPY is going to start to see a major crash and correction. Let's go ahead and hop into AMC stock. So first thing we want to check is, are we on the threshold security list? So we don't have the data yet. So we're still waiting to the end of the day to get the data for the threshold security list. So we do not have that data as of yet. Market fear and greed right now still is in greed. Again, do the opposite of the herd. Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. Right now is when you want to be scaling out of positions, not entering new long positions for the macro setup. If we look at AMC, short interest is at 29.24%. Our failure delivers right now, we do have some failure delivers here due for September. You guys can see the September dates are marked. Start where I have marked blue, so we do have some failure delivers coming in for September. You guys can see a slight pop up for failure delivers here, so we can see that failure delivers are still racking up. They are still racking up. You guys can see that cost to borrow is dropping pretty low, 6.58%, and they do have about 1 million shares available to borrow as of right now. That could change here in the morning. As far as data coming out on September the 6th. On September the 6th, we have ISM coming out, and then we also have GameStop earnings on September the 6th. So we have GameStop earnings September the 6th, and then ISM numbers September the 6th. This could cause volatility for the market, and then GameStop earnings could cause volatility for GameStop. I do think it is going to run into earnings. GameStop, I do think, is going to be seeing a rally to the upside. Me and the team, me and the DataZero family are loaded up on GameStop. We're absolutely banking off of this. We banked last week, and we're banking this week. So me and the DataZero family, we have fun and we get money. That's exactly what we do. So press subscribe to join the DataZero family. We are in on this play and making money. Again, I think GameStop's about to see a move to the upside. If GameStop can break above the key level of $19.28, $19.28, and use that as support. Again, every time I say break above, that means use that support. You're going to see a major major move for GameStop. So basically, GameStop is coiling up and getting ready for a breakout. We want to see if GameStop can tomorrow do this, break above $19.28, use it as support, and then we could see a major push to the upside for GameStop if it's able to do that. Basically, it's in this bull flag type consolidation, and if we can see a movement past this golden line right here at 1928 and using that as support, this thing's going to absolutely take off, ripping to the upside. GameStop also got a fresh buy signal on the daily time frame on the super trend with the MACD cross, so it is looking very, very good for this macro triple bottom to play out for GameStop, and I do think GameStop is going to be at least $20 to $25 by the end of the week. Not financial advice, and again, I was already saying this last week, and it's looking like it's going to be coming very, very true. $20 to $25 at least by the end of the week. Again, not by financial advice. And again, the technical analysis so far has been on point. Red day for SPY, green day for AMC, green day for GME. So GME and AMC, let's go ahead and hop into AMC. So we already went over for the data for AMC. AMC is looking good in my personal opinion. Had a nice 3% plus day, 3% plus day. I did pick up some AMC at $13.01, picking up some AMC, and I am in profit on that AMC position. Again, if you know how to play the game, you can make money at any time because the opportunities are always in the market. The market provides plenty of opportunities, and it is always in the market. I also want to point out something that's going to put pressure on SPY is the dollar is raised right now. I just want to quickly point this out that the dollar is raised. It's almost at 105, guys. So this is going to put huge pressure on the market, which will put our SQQ position in profit. Also, the VIX is going up, which means the market normally goes down when the VIX goes up. So again, this is going to push stocks like SQQQ up and the things like SPY and NASDAQ down. So this is looking good for those assets. Again, back to AMC. Again, in profit on AMC. When you know how to play the market and read the charts, you can make money. Me and the DataZero family are constantly eating. Again, press subscribe to join the DataZero family. Get in the Discord to get even more involved and get even more actions and more updates and make money. But guys, AMC's looking good, guys. AMC's looking good. If you haven't seen the video updates over the weekend, you need to check all of this out where I basically show you that AMC is a repeating fractal over and over again. But basically right now we're looking for one thing from AMC. We need AMC to break above the sloping resistance here, and that sloping resistance is at the price of $13.68. So if AMC can break above $13.68 using that as support, you're gonna see AMC take off, and I think this is going to happen tomorrow. So again, I told you guys AMC was about to rally. AMC is already to the upside, and it's already been one day. So it's only been one day. I told you guys AMC is going to rally, and it has already been one day, and AMC is already rallying. Guys, you see this is some of the best technical analysis you can get on the YouTube, okay? It's only been one day, and AMC is already moving to the upside in this bull flag. It's very, very evident what's about to happen. We're about to get a push to the upside, using it as support. Again, using the sloping resistance as support, and then launching to the upside. That is exactly what's about to happen for AMC stock. It looks like this could happen here in pre-market or early tomorrow morning. It looks like it could even happen here in pre-market, like we could have a big gap to the upside here pre-market, and that would actually make sense with what we see on the bars pattern, because if you look at the bars pattern right now, it's tracking candle for candle. Basically, you have a peak, then you come down, then you have a higher peak, then you come down, then you have to consolidate, and then you rip. Look at the price action that we have now. You come up, you come down, you have a higher peak, then you come down. We're consolidating, and now we're starting to move up. So basically what needs to happen is we need to break above this level of 13.25, and that's where I was buying under, and that's what you guys can see. I bought under that. I did that today, and now I am in profit, and I am going to be playing this position all the way to the upside. Why? Because it's going to be a very profitable position. It's over a 200% move. So if you put $1,000 in, that means you would get $2,000 to $3,000 profit easily off of this trade, and it could go even higher than 200%. It could be possibly as high as 300% max. 300% returns max on this trade. So again, me personally, I loaded up. I always put my money where my mouth is. When I say a rally's coming, I mean a rally's coming. I put my money where my mouth is, and I did load up today live. I did load up today live. And as you guys can see, I am loaded up and getting ready for this move to the upside. So again, I think we're about to see a huge takeoff here tomorrow, okay? Not financial advice. This is just my personal opinion. You guys can believe what you want. You can do what you want. Me personally, I think it's going to be happening tomorrow. We could even see a gap up here pre-market. So I'm glad I bought and I held on. I think we're about to see a major move to the upside. I even uploaded some more money into my account. Hopefully I can grab a little bit more GameStop or AMC before they take off. But again, I think they're both about to take off tomorrow. They're both set off to take up tomorrow. Again, GameStop, AMC, all it has to do is break above 1368. And if it breaks above 1435, I mean, that's going to be official confirmation. So 1345 is going to be official confirmation. And then if we see it break above 1368, that's going to be confirmation as well. And then GameStop, if it breaks above $19.28 and uses that support, that's going to be confirmation for that as well. So we want to see GameStop break above 1928 to 1950 and AMC break above 1368 to about 1439. Once it breaks above those 2 points, I mean, it's going to be absolutely taking off. Hopefully I can get in a little bit more. I put the money in today. I should have put it all in over the weekend so it settled today, like the money that I have now. Hopefully it settles tomorrow. Hopefully it settles tomorrow so I can quickly get in. But if not, I'm not going to FOMO in. But again, we do have a long way up because I do think AMC is about to fill the gaps. So I think AMC is about to fill the gaps. And if it does fill the gaps, that would be, again, a substantial move. Even if I did catch it at, let's say, like 16 bucks, and it went to fill the gaps at 30 to 40 bucks, I mean, that's still 100% gain. So I might get in there still, but I still have a position where I'm at now. So I am in play right now. I still have a position. And again, if it goes all the way up to the gap at $43, that's a 250% move very, very easily. So again, me personally, I'm playing this move. I'm playing the gap fills. If we go ahead and look on the Weeble chart, you guys can see the gap fills if we look on the Weeble charts. But again, I said a rally's coming. The rally's going to be coming tomorrow. I think we're going to get the pop off tomorrow. You guys can see that the MACD is starting to curl. You can see the MACD starting to curl. You guys can see that RSI is way, 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 way oversold. So again, perfect time to be buying a stock when its RSI is way, way oversold like that, when it's beat down like this, when it's way outside of the Bollinger Bands, because you know that price is going to go back inside the bands. Price of the bands is way up at, let's see, 13 or $15. So the band's currently at $15. So even if it just went inside the bands, that's a gain. So yeah, me personally, I'm going to be playing this gap fill. The gap fill's way up here at 38 to $47, which would be again a gain of about a 200% gain. So yeah, I'm gonna be definitely getting in here and playing this trade, also averaging down on my original position that I had before the split. That way I am in profit after we do see this move to the upside. And again, you guys have to do it your own plan. I suggest you have a plan. You guys have to make your own plan. Again, do not copy my trades. Try to make your own plan. But me personally, I think I have a pretty solid plan, and this is what I'm doing in my personal opinion. I do think I'm going to see profit off of all of these trades from AMC and GameStop, as well as my SQQ position, especially when the market does crash. That SQQ position will be extremely, 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 extremely profitable. So guys, this is pretty much everything I have for you. And again, you guys can see that the gap fill alone, again, would be multiple percentage points gains. The gap fills at $43. So we'll go ahead and use TradingView. So if we bought down here at about 13 bucks and ran it up to 43, So yeah, that's like a 260% gain. So again, multiple percentage points gains that you can be gained here. So me personally, I am playing the gap fill. I do think AMC is going to make a push to the upside, fill the gap, and then come back down, having to consolidate in the ranges of about 30 to 20 bucks in that range, and then possibly seeing a move to the upside. Or they're going to try to push us down and buy more time. So we will have to see if it's going to be a consolidation and a move to the upside with the repeating fractal, or are they going to try to push us down and make this thing and kick this can down the road? We will see when that time comes. But me personally, I am going to be trying to make profit off of each and every trade and use the opportunities that the market provides to build a position risk-free. How do I do that? I make profits with trades like I'm making right now. Again, gracefully putting on my research on YouTube, telling you guys my trades so you guys can learn from them. You can use them as examples and going on live and helping people out. But guys, if you found this video informative, all you have to do is simply drop a like, leave a comment, and press subscribe for more information like this. Again, join the DataZero family. We are the best family. We are the most positive community. We're the best community. So join this community if you want to feel welcomed. We will welcome you. So join, press subscribe. We have fun and make money each and every day. And again, I do have the Discord you can join. I also have a membership you can join, which helps out because YouTube ad revenue is not good at all. So if you want to help out, you can join the membership. You can cancel at any time. It's $2.99 a month. Just press join next to the subscribe button. And as always, y'all, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.
Alright, y'all, that was the video. If you found it informative, go ahead and drop a like, press subscribe for more content like this, and remember you can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more DataZero updates. The Discord is $50 for a lifetime invite. Hit me up on the email DataZeroOfficial5, link down below in the comment section and description. Ask me about my Discord. I'll send you the payment information, and you pay, I'll send you the link. It's easy as that. Then you can get access to all the plays and the calls that I give out in my Discord. Get in before the price goes up. And as always, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you that watched the end of this video. As always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.